walking by myself at night during lockdown. Tonight, Mount Albert smells like laundromat, fresh and sweet and clean and comforting. I have cracked open the big night sky for myself, even if it isn't safe, and I will eat it. Its fresh dark breath, one deep inhale at a time. The stars are rongoa for me tonight, twinkling like goddamn freedom, little bits of wonder. And tonight I feel like I could fuck over any 6-foot giant that tried to ruin my night, from my past or my present. The cops are pulling over people for no reason on these over-policed streets in case they have no groceries on their back seats. And the guy on a scooter is wearing a face mask. Who the fuck would have thought that petrol would ever be this cheap? I can't climb the maunga tonight. I'm too scared and I'm pissed off about it. But I can walk around it on well-lit streets. And life's like that sometimes. It's a full circle wander. And I'm not bitter. By the end, I've walked off my stress, hot and sticky on my body, instead of hot and sticky inside it. I will sleep well tonight. I am proud that I've taken back the night, even if I didn't knock off the mountain, and it was worth it. The COVID night sky is so clear and wide open, it's as if ordinary dusk has parted her legs for us. There's nothing to do but stare at the bare wonder of the Milky Way like we've never seen her before with our naked eye. My friend, who also longs for moon and maunga tonight, but settles with the sensible of tending to small brushed teeth and bedtimes. I've been there before I broke it, chasing moonlight and maunga and more. My friend tags me in a post to say, Venus is burning red tonight. I feel her. We feel her. Even if we can't see her. Even if we can't remember her real name. When I get home, I Google it by following an orator trail. Tapu I tea, a cannibal girl who ate her siblings and then became a star because she was sorry. Tapu I tea, glowing red, in a night that I was ravenous for. Freedom in every bite.